In this tutorial, we analyze and construct regular polygons using the Desmos geometry tools. The focus of this video is triangles and quadrilaterals. A polygon is a closed figure with a distinct number of straight sides. This is polygon ABCDE. A regular polygon has congruent sides and congruent angles. A regular triangle has 60-degree angles and 3 congruent sides. This type of triangle is known as equilateral or equiangular. This is how to construct a regular triangle using a compass, ruler, pencil, and paper. Use the compass to sweep out a complete circle. Use the pencil and ruler to draw a line through the center of the circle. Next, sweep out an arc of the same radius as the first circle, using the compass position shown. Your construction should look like this. You will be constructing a triangle from the 3 highlighted points. Construct the triangle. This is a regular triangle. How do we know this? Let's start with this section of the construction. AB is a perpendicular bisector. So triangle ABC has the properties shown here. You can see the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Next, look at the highlighted triangle. This is an equilateral triangle because each side is made up of a radius. That means this angle is 60 degrees. Using the same idea, that means this angle is 60 degrees. This defines a central angle of 120 degrees and an intercepted arc of the same measure. This means that inscribed angle ACB is half the measure of the central angle, or 60 degrees. This changes the isosceles triangle as shown. We can now solve for the other 2 angles as shown. This means that all 3 angles of the triangle are 60 degrees, making this an equilateral triangle. Now let's look at constructing a regular quadrilateral, also known as a square. This will be much more straightforward than the triangle. Start with a circle. Next, draw a line that passes through the center of the circle. Use the compass to construct an arc as shown. Make sure the compass is set wider than the radius. Repeat with another arc on the other side of the circle. Make sure your construction looks like this. Next, construct the line shown, which is the perpendicular bisector of the circle's diameter. You will be constructing a square from the 4 highlighted points. Construct the square. How do we know this is a square? Each of the central angles is 90 degrees. This means that each central angle defines an intercepted arc of 90 degrees. Each side of the square also defines the same intercepted arc. This means all 4 sides are congruent. Also, each vertex of the square defines an intercepted arc of 180 degrees, which means that each vertex angle is 90 degrees. A quadrilateral with 90-degree angles and congruent sides is a square. Let's explore regular polygons using the Desmos geometry tools. For these constructions, we'll be using the circle and polygon tools. Let's start with the triangle. Click on the circle tool. Move to the middle of the screen. Click once and move the pointer to the right to define a circle. Click again. Use the line tool to connect the 2 points shown. Return to the Circle tool to construct another circle using the 2 points as shown. Next, use the Polygon tool to construct the triangle as shown. Now hide the circles, line, and one of the points. Measure the side lengths and the angle measures. Can you demonstrate why this is a regular polygon? Resize the triangle to verify it is still a regular polygon. Now let's construct a square. Create a new construction. Select the Circle tool. Construct a circle like the one shown here. Next, connect the 2 points using the Line tool. Now just create the line perpendicular to the line through the center. Click on the More Tools option and select Perpendicular. Click on the line and the center point. Try to get your screen to look like this. Use the Polygon tool to construct the square from the points shown. Hide the circle and the lines. Finally, measure the side lengths and angles. Confirm that this is a regular polygon. Resize the figure to confirm it remains a regular polygon.